98% of what we produce is done in our production facilities right here in Milford, Pennsylvania. And we've invested in digital print technology that's second to none. You put a label on a product and you want it to stay there for the life of the product. And we're working oftentimes with machinery that lasts 20, 30, 40 years out in the field, and sometimes even outdoor conditions. And there's no tolerance for that label coming off. We know the standards, we help to write them, and we know how they can be applied to all different types of hazards across all different industries. There's nobody doing what we do. There are printers out there that'll print signs, they'll even customize signs for you, but you have to tell them what you want on that sign. There's no expertise on their part that comes into play. If we can protect the people from injury in the first place, to mitigate the risk, reduce it, the lawsuits don't happen.
Labeling for us is the last bastion, if you will, of safety. By working with the Clarion group, we were able to establish one harmonized label format which included graphics, and as a result we have stayed with them for now close to 20 years. The Clarion team allowed us to be able to be cost-effective, compliant, and yet honor the agreement that we've made with our customers that we will provide safe equipment.
Together, we can take a dramatic step forward to achieve our goal, our common goal, which is to keep people safe.